Hey guys, my name is John Wynn Stanley. I'm the CEO and founder of Fort Safety, and I'm here with...
I'm Jay Lawrence. I'm the CTO, the tech guy with Fort Safety.
He's humble. He has many hats, but anyway. This is completely unscripted. We're in the middle of a park in the middle of nowhere, but we couldn't contain ourselves. We're like two little kids at Christmas, aren't we?
Yes, we are. We have a new toy.
Yeah, we have a new toy. It's the Familyzone internet safety device that the fine folks at Familyzone sent to us. We at Fort Safety, we put on the internet safety events for children and families where we recommend how to keep your kids safe on the internet. So we're always got our eyes open for new devices, and the Familyzone has started their campaign and they've been really popular down in Australia, and they've just started here in the United States, and they've given us a couple devices to test out. Now, I couldn't contain myself. I had to open up mine last night.
Yes.
So the whole open box thing just went out the window. But we have one untouched Familyzone that Jay's going to open for us right now.
Yeah.
And we're going to check it out. So,
yeah, let's take a look inside this box and see what we have. I think if you shake it, it rattles like there's a lot of stuff in here. So hopefully that's goodies. So
yes.
It's a very lightweight box. Looks like a standard router. Inside of it, I don't know if we can see that, but we'll open it up and look. But inside, there are standard ports and plugs like any router would have. And the good thing about this device, from what I've heard, is that, so there are all kinds of attachments. So this thing works worldwide. So they provide all the accessories that you need: cable, power cord, plugs for any of the different types of power plugs you would have across the world. So that's pretty cool. But like I said, it's a very lightweight device. It's got some... This is very hard to open, evidently. There we go. So we've got some ports in here that are just kind of like a standard, typical router would have. So they've set this up pretty straightforward, but I think the magic happens in the software when you download the app and set the box up.
Right. One of the things that caught our eye that we're really interested in is lots of other devices out there look like this. They simply, one cable plugs into your router, very easy to set up, either an app or some kind of a software. But what differentiates Familyzone is you are paired with a cyber expert. Because we tell in our events, internet safety is not a one and done kind of a thing. Internet changes, your kids get older, so it's a constant updating that needs to be done. And with this system, with this service that Familyzone set up, you're paired with a cyber expert of your choosing. And Jay and I and the team are thinking about becoming one of those cyber experts. And you follow, they will guide you, hold your hand if you will, and give you recommendations and updates for your settings to match your kids, your family. So we're excited about this because we're all about, it's not about a kid-centric internet safety, it's a family-centric.
Right.
Because quite frankly, guys, there's stuff on the internet we adults don't need to be seeing, especially this guy. So anyway, we're excited. Plus, this comes from Australia. Australians are known to teach us Americans how to put shrimp on the Barbie, and they've really done a bad job with the English language. But besides that, they've created this thing. So we're excited to test it out. And then stay here, go to fortsafety.com, and we'll have our reviews coming up here shortly. Thanks a lot.
See ya.